When it comes to benefits administration, Deel makes the entire process smoother and more efficient. If you're wondering how to handle benefits administration with Deel, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to streamline benefits management for your team. Stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive deal to give you access to Deel for free, along with some bonuses. First off, Deel is an all-in-one platform for remote teams, and one of its standout features is benefits administration. Whether you're managing healthcare, retirement, or wellness benefits for employees in different countries, Deel simplifies it by handling local regulations and compliance for you. Instead of manually setting up different plans for employees in various locations, Deel lets you administer benefits globally with just a few clicks. You'll start by accessing Deel's dashboard. From there, you can quickly add or update employee profiles and select the benefits packages that fit their needs. Deel works with a broad network of global partners to provide localized benefits, so it's not just one size fits all. You can tailor benefits based on employee locations, ensuring they receive the most relevant options for their region. The platform's flexibility makes it easy to create custom packages that align with your company's budget and goals. One of the things that sets Deel apart from other platforms is the ease with which you can onboard employees and manage their benefits. You don't have to manually calculate premiums or worry about dealing with confusing local insurance providers. Deel handles the heavy lifting for you, ensuring everything is compliant and up to date. With Deel, you can focus on building your team rather than dealing with paperwork and regulations. Another key feature to highlight is Deel's transparency. Your employees will receive a clear breakdown of their benefits, and they can access their benefits information through Deel's intuitive self-service portal. This not only reduces the back and forth communication between you and your employees, but also empowers your team to take control of their own benefits. As a business owner or HR manager, managing multiple benefits providers can be time-consuming and often leads to confusion. Deel takes away the complexity, so you can keep things simple, streamlined, and most importantly, compliant with international laws. With Deel's automated system, you can avoid costly mistakes and delays while making sure your employees are well taken care of. Now here's where it gets interesting. By using Deel, you get access to a free trial, exclusive bonuses, and the best part is, you can start using Deel completely free from the first link below. Whether you're just starting out with benefits administration or looking to improve your current system, Deel's got you covered. You don't have to worry about hidden fees or long contracts. Just sign up and get started. So what are you waiting for? Handling benefits administration with Deel will save you time, money, and reduce the risk of costly mistakes. With its intuitive platform, local compliance, and flexible options, Deel truly simplifies the process for businesses worldwide. Don't forget, the link below gives you access to an extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. You won't want to miss out on this. Give Deel a try and see how easy benefits management can be.